In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a script to your chart, a TradingView. If you've ever wanted to customize your TradingView charts with your own indicator or strategy, adding a script is a quick way to do it. Scripts in TradingView are usually written in PineScript, and they let you overlay custom signals, draw tools, or run backtests directly on your chart. Today, we'll keep it simple and walk through the exact process so you can see your script running in just a minute. Start with your chart open. Look toward the bottom right corner of the interface and click the mountain icon. This icon opens the area where you work with scripts. If your layout is slightly different, make sure you're on a standard chart view and that nothing is collapsed. Once that panel is visible, you're in the right place to proceed. Inside this area, you can create or paste your script. If you already have code ready, simply copy it from your source and paste it into the editor. If you're writing something new, you can type it directly here. Keep in mind that TradingView scripts are sensitive to formatting and syntax, so make sure the code is complete and valid. If you got the script from someone else, only use it if you trust the source. Scripts can reference symbol data, draw objects, or execute strategy logic, so it's a good idea to glance through the code to understand what it does before adding it to your chart. After pasting your script, click Add to Chart. TradingView will compile the code and apply it to the current chart. If it's an indicator, you'll see it overlaid on price or appear in a separate pane below. If it's a strategy, you'll notice performance metrics and trade markers. If you don't see anything right away, try zooming out a bit or checking whether the script is designed for a different time frame or needs certain settings adjusted. You can open the script settings to tweak inputs like lengths, colors, and styles so the display matches your preferences. And that's it. You've successfully added a script to your TradingView chart. From here, you can keep the script active, edit the code to refine it, or remove it if you just wanted a quick test. When experimenting, make small changes and re-add or update the script to see the impact clearly. This simple workflow helps you build and use custom tools without leaving your chart. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring what your scripts can do on TradingView.